slow, go faster, like controller, like controller.
Hey guys, what's poppin'? It's your girl Robin, and we're back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this wig that was sent to me by Julia Hair. Thank you, Julia Hair, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to see how I got this install and this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it.
I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller. Yeah, like controller. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go faster. Like controller. You can't just listen, come tell my story. You can't listen to me talking, go tell my story. It don't work like that when you know somebody. My old flex is my new flex now, and we're working on it. Yeah. And that's why I need all the energy that you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wants to split a thing.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up till I D.I.P. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunned up till I D.I.P. I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you go? Feel my face, I'm sending action. These days, no my niggas be blasting. Living in the mix up, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned up till I D.I.P. You can do
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, 'cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. Show the words, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. You ain't shit, you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one nice him. I never listen though. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. And to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. 'Cause I usually do stick to the business, but you came out the blue. And then you
All right, you guys, so we're done with the install, as you guys could see. So I'm gonna go in and start cutting layers in the hair, because we're gonna do some like bombshell curls. I haven't done that. It's such a classic, so that's what we're gonna do. I did go in and spray my part, but I'm kind of wishing that I hadn't done that. We'll see. I just got my lashes done and it already looks like I need to fill. That's great. But anyway, yeah, so I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna do the layers, and then we're gonna be curling with my Conair. I think this is a 1 1/2 or 1 1/4. I can't remember how big it is, but this is what we're gonna be using today. I'm just gonna kind of go in sections. I'm gonna be using these scissors I got from the beauty supply store, nothing major. So I'm gonna just go in a section, and yeah, we just gonna start cutting hair.
my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we can build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed. Once you got all that you wanted, nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean
right, you guys, this is the final look. This is what we came up with. I am so in love with how this turned out. At first, when I first got this wig, I was kind of like weirded out by the parting space. I felt like there was just not going to be enough parting space for me to do a part. I was going to do bangs, but I ended up working with it and it ended up being really cute. I think we got a pretty good melt. And I think it looks really, really good. Like, it's really cute. I did some layers in it because I wanted to do, like, you know, like the body curls or whatever. So I'll most likely go in and layer the hair some more now that it's curled. But guys, I didn't feel like doing all that. Like, I didn't feel like doing all that. So I just came on here after brushing the curls out. So this is the final look. I love how it looks. It looks really cute. It looks really grown and sexy. Like, what? I feel so grown. That jet black hair is just unmatched. Like, it's unmatched. Nobody could touch it. Nobody could ever. So yeah, thank you Julia Hair for sponsoring this video and sending me this hair. If you guys want to save some money shopping with Julia Hair, go ahead and use the coupon code on the screen or in the description box below so that you guys can save some coins on this wig, honey. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.